Welcome everyone. In this video I'll demonstrate how to use Quicken Deluxe for managing rental properties. Let's dive right in. Step 1 involves setting up your rental property account. Launch Quicken Deluxe on your computer and click on the Add Account button to input your rental property details including address, rent amount, and associated expenses. Step 2 is tracking rental income and expenses. Record rental income transactions and categorize them appropriately, such as rental payments received. Enter expenses related to your rental properties, like mortgage payments or repairs, and categorize them based on their nature. This allows for effective tracking and analysis of your rental property finances. Step 3 is generating rental property reports. Quicken Deluxe offers various reports tailored for rental properties. Navigate to the Reports tab and select the report you need, such as cash flow or profit and loss statements. Customize the parameters to obtain the desired information. Step 4 involves handling rental property taxes. Track and categorize expenses that can be deducted for rental property taxes, assigning appropriate tax-related categories to expenses like repairs or insurance premiums. Quicken can generate reports specifically for tax deductions, simplifying the tax preparation process. Finally, Step 5 is monitoring rental property performance. Utilize Quicken Deluxe to assess the performance of your rental properties by tracking income, expenses, and profitability over time. Analyze reports and metrics to evaluate the financial health of your rental properties. And that's how you manage rental properties using Quicken Deluxe. Thanks for watching and peace out.